Today we will start the new chapter, that is chapter 5, election. The first topic is the Election Commission of India. Now we will discuss one by one what is election, okay, and what is the role of the Election Commission of India, who are the members, who is the head, and so on. So let's start it. Meaning of election. India is a democracy. So India is a democratic country. Democracy means a system in which the government is formed, which is chosen by the people. So the word democracy means that the government, that means our Indian government, will be formed how? When the people will choose. That means the term democracy, the meaning of democracy is that it is a form of government in which the local citizen of that particular country will choose their government or their leader. But how do we choose the people who will form the government? So this question arises in our mind, right? So now we will learn how these people are choose and who will form the government. It is decided through a process called election. So how we choose or how we you can say choose our own government. We choose it by a process known as election. What is an election? Election is a process by which a person, okay, it is a process by which a person or a group of people are chosen to form the government. So it is a process through which a person or a group of people, they are chosen to form a government with the help of how? With an election. And how they will choose? By giving their valuable vote. The party which will get more vote, that party will form the government in India. That's why India is a democracy, that means democratic form of government. Let us read how the process of election work in India. So now we will discuss how this election is working in our India. First of all, we will learn about the Election Commission of India. So what is the role of Election Commission of India? Since India is a large country, it requires a lot of planning to conduct elections. So our India is a very large country, right? You know it. Our India's territory is spread in a huge amount of area. So there should be some planning so that we can conduct election one by one in each state. The Election Commission of India is a body which plan every phase of an election. So it is the duty of the Election Commission of India that how the election will take place in every phase. That means in which period of time the election will take place and in which state and how the election will be taken place. It is all decided by the Election Commission of India. It decide the date on which election would be held. So the Election Commission of India, it will decide that on which the particular election, for example in West Bengal there is an election, okay. So it is the duty of the Election Commission of India that in the West Bengal, when the election will be held, hold elections. That means when the election will be held, or you can say from which period to which period. That means maybe from maybe you can say from June to July, or you can say only in the month of June the whole election will be take place. It is all decided by Election Commission of India. Lays down the rules and regulation to be followed during election. So the Election Commission of India, they will give certain rules and regulation which the person who is participating in the election process, they have to follow during the election, and announces the result. So they are the person who will count the vote and they will declare the result of any election in our India. It ensures that election in India are fair and impartial. So it is a duty of the Election Commission of India that whatever the election which are taking place in India, it should be in fair. That means no cheating should be involved, and impartial. That means no party should given more importance. The commission is headed by Chief Election Commissioner. So the Election Commission of India is headed by whom? It is headed by Chief Election Commissioner. So Achal Kumar Jyoti, the 21st Chief Election Commissioner of India. So he is at present the Chief Election Commissioner of our India. Now we will learn who can vote. Now we will see that who are the person who will give their vote in an election. The Election Commission issues a list with the name of the people who can vote. So it is a duty of the Election Commission of India that they will issue a list of the names of the people who can vote in our country. They will issue the list. In India, all adults who are 18 years and above have the right to vote. So now who can vote? In India, all the adults who are of 18 years or above 18 years, they have the right to vote. They can give their vote in an election. People who can vote are people who can vote are issued a voter ID. So those person whose age is 18 years and above, they have the right to vote. Okay, and they have the and they have a, you can say, voter ID card. Okay, these card contain information about the voters. So in the voter ID card, what all are things, or you can say important informations are mentioned. It is information, the information are mentioned such as his or her name, date of birth and photograph of that particular person. On the day of the election, the voter has to carry this card. So when there is an election in our locality, the person have to carry the voter ID with them and show it at the polling booth. So they have to show these voter ID card at the polling booth. That means where election is taking place. Okay, where elections are given. Okay, where the elections are given, that place is known as polling booth. Voting is done by secret ballot. So voting, how they will give their vote? By a secret ballot. That is, nobody knows who a person has voted. So it is a secret ballot. That means a person will go and they will click. There will be a number of buttons over there along with their name and symbol. So okay, along with their name and symbol, and anybody will go in the secret ballot and they will give their valid vote to maybe to this or this. Only one vote is counted. Okay, and nobody's know that which person have given vote to which party. At the polling booth, the voters give their vote by pressing a button on the electronic voting machine. So in the polling booth where the voters give their vote, the voters will give their vote by pressing a button on a electronic voting machine. So this is known as electronic voting machine. Okay, they will click they will press the button, and according to that they will press the button. Okay, and they will give their vote. The machine shows the name of the people. Okay, so in this machine there will be the name of the people contesting election and the symbol of political party. So there will be name of all the people who is participating in an election, and there will be symbol over here. Okay, and according to that they will give to vote. How? By pressing these buttons. Okay, and here ink being applied on the voter's finger. So whoever is giving vote, and ink is applied in the voter's finger. This ink cannot be removed easily. So this ink we cannot remove easily. And why it is given? So that they can mark that which who have given vote and who have not.